To my channel. Today I am a prediction a match World Cup qualification 2020-22 in the Qatar qualification zone CONMEBOL South American Football Federation round 2 in held in 13 October and first match in round 2 in World Cup qualification zone CONMEBOL South America, Bolivia versus Argentina, Ecuador versus Uruguay, Venezuela versus Paraguay, Peru versus Brazil, Chile versus Colombia, and first I'm a review Bolivia versus Argentina held in Estadio Hernando Siles, La Paz, Bolivia, and standing Argentina number 4 after win 1-0 versus Ecuador in last match in qualification, and Bolivia in the bottom after loss versus Brazil 0-0 5-0, and head to head Bolivia versus Argentina last match Bolivia versus Argentina, Bolivia win 2-0 in World Cup qualification in Russia and win 2-0, and 2 years ago Argentina win Bolivia 3-0, 2-0, and 2015 Argentina win 7-0, and in same years Argentina win 5-0. Okay, I am prediksi second match Ecuador versus Uruguay. Venue Estadio de Liga Deportiva Universitaria Quito di Ecuador. Head to head, last match Argentina win versus Ecuador. One nil loss Ecuador in last match qualification CONMEBOL, loss after versus Argentina, and last match Uruguay win versus Chile 2-1 in last match in qualification, and head to head Ecuador versus Uruguay in 2019 Uruguay win versus Ecuador 4-0. 2016 Uruguay versus Ecuador win 2-1, and standing Ecuador in position 8 after loss versus Argentina in last match, and Uruguay finish position 3rd, no finish in classement position 3rd, and after win 2-1 versus Chile in the last match. Okay, next Venezuela versus Paraguay held in Estadio Metropolitano de Merida in Merida City in the Venezuela. Last match Venezuela versus Colombia lost 3-0 in World Cup qualification, and Paraguay versus Peru last match draw, Paraguay draw, and head to head Venezuela versus Paraguay in 2017 versus Paraguay versus Venezuela, Paraguay 0-1 Venezuela. In 2015 Venezuela versus Paraguay win 1-0, and next in fourth match Peru versus Brazil held in Estadio Nacional de Lima in capital city of Peru, and head to head last match Peru versus Paraguay draw 2-2 in last match in qualification CONMEBOL round 1 round first, and Brazil win big win after versus Bolivia 5-0 in Stadion Cortina Stadion in qualification round 1 match, and head-to-head Peru versus Brazil in 2019, Brazil versus Peru win 1-0, and Brazil versus Peru, Brazil win 3-1 versus Peru. And next match, Chile versus Colombia, held in Estadio Nacional Julio Martínez Parador, Santiago de Chile, the capital of city Chile. And head-to-head, last match Chile versus Uruguay. In Uruguay, Chile lost 2-1 versus Uruguay in last match in round 1, round first, and Colombia win versus Venezuela in first match in the qualification CONMEBOL 3-0. And head-to-head Chile versus Colombia, held in 2019, Colombia versus Chile 0-0. Colombia versus Chile 1-0, draw 0-0 after extra time 90 menit, and Chile win 1-0 in extra time. Okay, this is a second round World Cup qualification zona South America CONMEBOL. I'm predicting win Argentina win, Uruguay win, Venezuela Paraguay draw, Brazil win, and Colombia.